2003 Ford F350 Super Duty rear door. The top one's locked, you can't get to it. Go ahead and pull the top piece, the bottom piece off with the door closed. You come into your lock. I made this pick, I bent it myself. And you come in, and you gotta manipulate right in here. There's a little catch. So you gotta come in and push down in there. Anyway, it gets the door open. That's the first step. We cut the old ones out. We got assorted nuts, Harbor Freight, and assorted nylon lock washers. So we're gonna go ahead and give some new hardware.